What brought you guys here today? To check out the fall? Really amazing fall, eh? Yeah. Look, you like it? It's camping time. Goodbye, guys. All right. Yeah. Let's see, Willie. Oh, the people that you see here in the cars, we came to check out the fall. One of the most wonders in Canada, specifically in Ontario. This is the beautiful Inglis Falls. Guys, you like it? Wow. But don't go too close though. It's a little bit dangerous. This is about probably 100 feet, so don't play with it. My legs are shaking, eh? My legs are shaking too. Yeah, it's surely indeed a wonderful view. Wow. You enjoy the views? Me too. Hello guys. You guys also videotaping, eh? You're not scared? A little bit, eh? I'm scared too. You guys not afraid? It's very creepy. Really deep. Yeah. See more tourists, very curious people, doing also the videos. Selfie time, the Inglis Falls. Enjoying the fall view? Love it? Beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is very, very scary. I'm actually right on the fall, and a small tip, I'm in there. Quite scary, man. But I just wanted to bring you here to show you the beautiful nature they have in Owen Sound. It's quite amazing, and it's this rock formation from like thousands of years ago. And this waterfall here is what brings most people to Owen Sound, which is about 2.5 hours away from Toronto. So I just came here with the family, and we couldn't really leave you without bringing you to this beautiful rock area. So it's amazing, and just enjoy the view because I'm enjoying it. Also look on your right side as the camera moves. You see all the forest on that side as well. So it's amazing what Canada has to offer you, and we're very privileged to come to Owen Sound today to show you this beautiful view. Bro, what's up, man? What brought you here today? Oh, Sabo Beach.
I think I saw you in Tobermory.
Oh, you saw me in Tobermory? Oh, nice. So I guess you're on the same journey. So what brought you to specifically the Inglis Falls? This beautiful fall? Just drop by. But how do you find it? It's beautiful, eh? Oh, in Philippines? Oh, okay. Alright, that's good. I think there's probably more. Like if you go, it's probably like it has the trails and stuff like that. I don't think mommy can stomach it, so we're just gonna leave. Yeah, look, don't go that far. Mommy is scared. But this is fun.